In this video, we will show you how to replace your vehicle's air filter on this Ford F-150 with a 5.4-liter engine. This will be located along the top of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. We're going to locate the air filter inside of this area. To gain access to the air filter, we're going to have to remove the air filter tray. That's held in place with two locking tabs. We'll just go ahead and dislodge those. Now we can take hold of the tray and pull it out and away. That exposes the air filter. We can remove that air filter from the tray. We'll give it a quick inspection and set it aside. Double check your air filter tray for any miscellaneous debris, and we can prepare to install our brand new air filter. For that air filter, we want to make sure that we have the filtration unit facing down and we have the foam insert facing up along the top. Let's align this with its port, slide it into position, and lock it in. Double check to make sure that's properly secured. You do not want any dirty air making its way into the engine. Okay friend, we finished our installation. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and start up your vehicle, let it run, and then take it for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.